Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video here at the Credit Shout YouTube channel. Super excited to have you. Today we're talking about how can you build credit quickly. So we're always receiving questions. Thank you for this. We love the feedback. We love the questions. And this is what makes Credit Shout and Credit Forums so special. So here's a question we received. I'm a recent college graduate with no student loan debt and no credit card. I want to buy a home. What can I do to quickly build a credit profile so I can qualify for a mortgage, and can I do this without taking on debt? So, getting a mortgage today, we're getting ready to get into 2019. It's tough. It is much harder now versus 6 months ago, versus a year ago, and it seems to get harder and harder and harder. So, there's a lot of different things that mortgage loan officers and mortgage loan companies look for. And one of them is a great credit history. Even though underwriters are allowed to look at your history of bill payments, that is not always enough to establish a credit score that's going to meet those minimum requirements to get a mortgage. So you must establish some history of responsible credit usage. So why a secured card? Well, these are easy to qualify. And there's some good ones out there that have no annual fee. And they often give you a path to an unsecured card. Make sure you check on that. You want to be able to get a secured card that's going to give you a path to an unsecured card. Because some of them won't give you that. And you can read everything that I'm going over now in our guide. Just follow the description link below this video. But we have some tips on what we recommend as secured credit cards and different things like that. So what you're trying to accomplish here, I want you to look at the factors that go into your credit score. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. Credit mix, 10%. Extend a new credit, 10%. And you can learn more about your credit score over here on the guide by clicking the link right here. But since you're going to be new to credit, there are many factors that will not immediately look great for you. But we're not trying to get an 800 credit score. So what you're trying to accomplish is to show a good payment history and credit utilization. This is so important for getting a mortgage. And it's going to take you a few months, even a few years to get there before you're probably going to get approved for a mortgage loan. So what we recommend is coming over here and checking out this guide and following the appropriate links. That way you can start working on your credit score. That way you can get approved for a mortgage, because a mortgage is one of the hardest loans to get. It's a big investment, often, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, depending on the type of home you're looking for. So there's a lot of different factors that are involved there, but you just need to focus, keep on paying your bills, right? Make sure you have enough money in the bank to pay your initial deposit, and you also need to focus on keeping your credit history great, paying your bills on time, and different things like that. That is super, super important. And if you can show a few years of this, you're going to have a much better chance of getting approved for a mortgage loan. So, again, you can come over here and check the full guide out over here at the Credit Shout website. That link will be below in the description. And again, we have all kinds of different resources that you can come over here and check out. You can always use this search bar up here too. Type in home loan, home mortgage, anything to that nature. But if you want to build your credit quickly, number one, think about a secured credit card. Number two, think about a new credit card. If you don't have many credit cards, a new credit card can improve your credit score. Number three, keep paying your regular bills, the utilities, the electric, the power bill, your insurance. Keep paying those on time. And number 4, make sure anything that you have as far as credit cards and things to that nature, other loans, make sure you're always paying those on time.